Please come. Please sit. Please sit. What do you write?
Thank you, sir.
Very good writing.
6 feet, sir.
Your name?
Duregan Dana, sir.
You are from which place?
Sir, I am from Puri.
Puri proper.
Sir, Kakar.
Kakar.
Yes, sir.
What is your qualification?
Sir, my qualification is marketing specialist.
MBA in
Marketing specialist.
marketing specialist. Okay. So, since when you have passed MBA?
Sir, in 2013.
What you were doing 3 years, last 3 years?
Sir, in December 2011 to December 2013, I was working as assistant store manager in Reliance Retail. In New Delhi, sir.
Reliance Retail, where?
Sir, New Delhi, sir.
New Delhi. So you gave it up.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, actually, I suffered my TB.
Now you have cured.
Yes, sir.
How much you are giving?
Sir, 17,000.
17,000. Achha. But where are you staying in Delhi?
Sir, in East Delhi.
In Delhi? No. With friends, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you gave it up, you have started. This is the first interview you are doing.
Yes, sir.
So with your MBA qualification, marketing is a good one, at least as far as bank is concerned. So how you will get that bank?
Nowadays, the banking is doing marketing. Apart from depositing and lending, there are different parallel products which they are marketing. So, as far as MBA value is concerned, it will help a lot.
It will help you out here. You will be able to understand.
Sir.
Will you be able to recommend something to the top management of the bank? What do you see in marketing? What you should see to improve marketing? Marketing is essentially to improve the sales. It's not. What do you say?
Sir, previously the customers are coming to bank for their services. Nowadays, the bank is trying to reach to the customers.
Okay, you tell me about those things. How do you think technology helps in the marketing? Does it help? Nowadays, everyone is IT. The banks are heavily dependent on IT for doing services. Is IT, can it help in the marketing of the products of the bank?
So
In what way?
can use the technology to sell our product easily to the customers.
How?
So first we have to make awareness.
This is okay.
So whether technology is beneficial in bringing awareness? Can we use technology to bring awareness?
Yes, sir.
Or
So we can use the technology to promote our products.
You can promote the product to advertise and all that. Technology itself, does it not make services convenient? Technology per se has brought about a lot of efficiency to the bank's operation. It has quickened the actions of the services. Yeah? You know anything about core banking?
Sorry, sir.
Core banking. You have heard this term, core banking.
Sorry, sir.
Not at all.
CBS? No.
Core banking solution or centralized banking solution. What is CBS? Any idea? Difficult now. You are not understood. So what are the, you mentioned there are parabanking products. What are parabanking products?
Other products like bank assurance, mutual funds, credit cards, prepaid cards, and portfolio management.
Portfolio. Can you tell me what is mutual funds? You are aware? You do not know? But try to know what it is. Because that can also be asked. So parabanking products are those things. What are the other main products of the bank? These are parabanking products. What are the main products? What main functions? Tell me some liability products of the bank. Name some liability products. That's an answer.
Assets is building, furnitures.
But they are not in the business, banking business. We can not do business activity directly. Indirectly, for running bank function they are required. But which are the assets of the bank?
What type of assets?
Which help banking in getting income?
Fixed assets.
Which one? Fixed asset will not return income, is it not? So, which are the assets which get income from bank? By way of interest, loans, is it not? And banks have investments, they get interest from the bank. Then, which are the liability products of the bank? So, you do not. Can you tell me the difference between the bond and the debenture? What are these instruments?
So bond is for long-term purposes.
Bond is for long-term purpose. Okay. We will see the purpose of bond. You don't know. What are shares? What is primary market and what is secondary market?
Primary market, the cash and shares are issued.
Shares are given to by the company to the investor directly. You know. Then what happens in secondary market?
Reselling of
Reselling. Which are already issued. They are sold or purchased, and that happens in share market, secondary market, share market. You don't pay stock exchange. That is secondary market. That is primary market. What do you know about development financial institutions? Can you name few of them? Is a major part of the banking system as a policy fund. So what do they mean and what do you know by NABARD? You are applying for RRB. So you have a lot of relations with NABARD. What is NABARD?
So NABARD is a apex body. It's finance to the RRB.
Finance.
Finance. Not only RRBs, cooperative banks, commercial banks, they give finance. They don't make direct finance. What is the full form of NABARD?
National Bank for Agricultural and Development.
Rural development. What is the regulatory function of NABARD? This is some sort of a financial function, individual finance. Any regulatory function there? Whom do they regulate? Okay. What is the target given to RRB by Reserve Bank of India for agricultural finance? How much minimum they should lend? 18% of what? No. Total advances. 80% total advances go to agriculture sector. What do you understand by allied activities to agriculture? Allied activities allied to agriculture or allied activities to agriculture? You do not know. Dairy, piggery, fishery. These are all poultry. What do you understand by green revolution?
Green revolution is related to environment.
Environment. Green revolution, white revolution, we do not have these terms. Very important for banks. So what are those? Who is the latest addition to the deputy governors of RBI? Who is the last who has recently joined RBI as deputy governor? Posted. There are 4 deputy governors. Mr. Ujit Patel, who became the governor, created on post, right? So who has created? So then other 3 who are already there. At least 1 or 2 of them.
Dr. S.S. Mundra.
S.S. Mundra, yes.
Viswanathan.
S. Viswanathan. The surname is the surname of our father of the nation. Who is known as the saint of Savarnati? Who is known as the saint of Savarnati? Yes. Why hesitation? Speak loudly, confidently. His ashram was there, but I am on the bank of Savarnati river in Gujarat. Who is known as the saint of gutters? You do not know. Who is what is for the sick, for the poor, Nobel laureate, who had his place of honor in Calcutta, Sisters of Charity.
No, she was given sainthood also.
Posthumously. She was given sainthood. Who is Sister Nirmala? Lady, a sister who succeeded Mother Teresa and Sister of Charity in Calcutta. She is also known. Has she got any recognition from the government of India? Any award? Padma Vibhushan. Okay, name few prominent personalities who passed away recently, maybe in 2016 or 2017 only passed. Some politicians or any other important personalities. You may remember. Politicians? Any famous politician passed away?
Yes, sir, passed away.
Who? What happened in Tamil Nadu? What happened in Cuba? You are not able to tell. Who passed away? What happened in 2016 or 2000? Who passed away very recently? Actor, famous actor. Then similarly,
an actor.
Actor or politician or any other famous person, a writer or a dancer.
Tamil Nadu CM is Jayalalitha.
Yes, right. Remember, don't get nervous. Then who else?
And then the ex-CM of...
Which other actress passed away in 2016? Famous actress. Politicians? Anybody from Jammu and Kashmir?
I think it's ex-CM of...
Yes, what is it? About it. Okay. Then anybody else? You can remember. What is your hobby?
Playing cricket.
You play like batsman or
It's a
bowler? What is the length of the pitch? Cricket pitch.
22 yards.
What do you understand by bowling pitch? Bowling pitch का
Bowling pitch from wicket.
What is hit wicket? Hit wicket.
So at the time of batting, when the batsman hits the wicket
Stumps.
or stumps,
Ah.
that is called a wicket.
Will it be given out?
Yes, sir.
Will be given out. What is handling the ball? Handling the ball. You know. You are cricketer, okay? You know all these terms. Is it not? What is gully? What is gully? Cricketing positions you do not know. Gully. Okay. Who is known as the wall? Rahul Dravid. Recently, some cricketers got married. Can you name at least two of them?
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma got married now.
Yuvraj Singh.
Yuvraj Singh is the one. Who else?
Ajinkya Rahane.
Now, I don't know. You may not know. Who is the captain of the women's cricket team of India?
Recently, one of the largest stadiums is going to be built. In which state?
That's in Gujarat.
Which stadium is going to surpass in terms of seating capacity?
I Melbourne,
Where is Melbourne?
in Australia.
Which company has been is looking after the construction work or has been given the tender for constructing this type?
That's L&T.
L&T. What do you mean by L&T?
Larsen and Toubro.
So, as recently there is a term that is associated, that is DG Shala. DG Shala. What is it? What is Digital India? What is Digidhar Mela?
Who is Samantha Gandhi? Samantha Gandhi.
Ronald Gandhi.
India Gandhi. Banking you have studied something about banking. When the account chila jayegi.
So the term loan becomes non-performing when its principal, interest, and both principal and interest is not paid for 90 days from the date of their due.
What is cash credit?
Okay. For you, there is a lot of knowledge there. The only good thing about you is you don't, instead of bluffing, you straight away saying that you do not